My name is Zach Hoka with American Control Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to wire up the LGP403-10 using a speed potentiometer. The terminal located underneath the transformer is used to set the different modes for the drive. The factory default comes with a header plug and 5 open wires. These wires are used to connect up switches or the drive up to your PLC to switch between the different modes. For this demonstration, we'll be removing the header plug and using the jumpers instead. Before we start wiring up the drive, we must first set the input and output voltage switches. Looking at SW501, the input voltage switch, the factory default set is 230. We're going to be using 115. Then, looking at SW502, the output voltage switch, the factory default set is for 180, but we'll be using a 90 volt motor, so we'll switch it to 90. Next, we'll connect the armature leads from the motor to A1 and A2. To run this drive in signal follower mode, to use an input signal source, we're going to use a jumper to short pins 3 and 4 on the mode select header block. Next, we're going to connect our power supply up to the drive, which we are using as our input signal source. Now, we'll take our negative lead, connect it to the negative terminal on the drive, and the positive lead to the positive terminal. Next, we'll connect the power leads to L2 and L1 on the drive. Now that we've double checked all of our wiring and made sure our input voltage source is turned off, it's okay to apply power to the drive. We'll now turn on our power supply and apply a couple volts to the drive to make sure the drive commands the motor to rotate. We'll now apply 10 volts, which is the maximum the drive can accept, and make sure we get the max speed out of the drive that we require for our application. If your motor was rotating in the reverse direction, simply swap the armature leads after removing the drive from power. Thank you for watching this wiring demonstration brought to you by Minarik Drives. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit us at www.minarikdrives.com or call one of our application engineers at 815-624-6950.